Hi, welcome into today's video whereby I will be teaching you, guiding you how to create a betting website just like this one. You can see all the features. But the good thing about this website we're creating, or you have to know, this website we can build it for free, but you need an API key to implement into your website. That is how it works. So you need to implement API key. There's a lot of API key out there, or which you need to pay a monthly or yearly. Then you have access to the all their auth and some of the official features of betting. All will be given to you after you pay for the API key. So as you can see, the good thing about the demo I'm doing today is only to show you how to create it. So if you're ready to make it official, you want to build a standard betting website, so you need to find how to pay for the API key. So if you're coming up as a new developer, this is good for you because you're going to understand how it works and how to go about it. So any moment from now, maybe you'll be getting a project to build something like this. So this will actually guide you, help you, so we're going to use one of these. We're going to use Replit API. This is the second video for Replit demonstration on my channel. So let's go into it, and we're going to give the prompt for the Replit agent API to do the necessary. So this is it. I bookmark all my needed websites. So as you can see, so as it stands, it's loading. It's going to open up, and we're going to give the prompt, and we're going to provide one of this betting company URL. So it doesn't mean it can only do similar things to this. Any company, any website, any type of betting company sites. So that's Replit API can do that for you in a minute. So okay, as you can see, it's open. So you need to open an account if you're new. So you check one of my video. I think I'll drop it down below this video, so that if you're watching this one and you don't understand how I get started, because first of all you need to sign up, you need to log in into your account, and that is where you'll be here. Okay, you'll be coming here. So without wasting time, let's get started. So here I'm going to say please, okay, can say please write a complete website for me. Okay, better website. Okay, like this one. Then okay, like this one. Then you copy the URL. You are telling, okay, let me copy this one. Any of these this Replit will do that for you in a matter of minutes. I'm going to do the job for you. So as you can see, I'm going to paste the code here, so so the name of my site is, okay, sports 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 betting dot ng. Let me just put something like this just to give an idea. The name that will be on top of that's the name of the site. So let's go ahead and say yes, start building. So here you wait, and you're going to see where the magic happened. So Now it's okay, as you can see, it's still rolling, trying to analyze, trying to come up with the idea how. As you can see from up, you can see the name I wrote has appeared here. If you can see, because the Replit here, I read what I wrote and it understand that I said the name of the app or the website they're going to create it sporty bet ng, something like that. So this is just an idea. So the agent is working about it. Okay, the AI just there thinking, working. So as you can see, it's coming up with the idea. So now, could you like any of these additional features? We can also make changes later. Okay, so as you can see, it's waiting for me. I need to approve some of this. It's asking me yes or no if I want them to implement actual user registration and authentication, and also add live betting functionality with the real-time odd update. The third one, integrate payment gateway for deposit and withdrawal. The last, add live match statistic and result tracking. So that you need to know that this Replit agent is very powerful, knowing all the things needed into building a betting site. So it's asking me if they can implement all this, and yes, all this are needed. They need we need user to register. You need live betting functionality, yes, and real-time audio, yes, that's also we need, and then integrate payment gateway, yes. Then as you, the person who is building, if you're building this project yourself, so you may need a payment gateway like Stripe or PayPal or any other gateway payment. You need also to implement that into the project. So only this AI will guide you into all this. If you need, you're going to tell the AI here. You send the message, hey, can you had the payment gateway? That is if I don't want to approve it now to implement all this. So later on, I can still go ahead and come here and ask, oh, can you please add my payment gateway? So this payment gateway is for you, the owner who is building the website, so that you're going to register from any payment gateway, maybe PayPal, any other options which So you're going to register from there. You link up your accounts. You're going to get the API key and public I key and the rest, and you implement that. Only this API, when you come up with the API key from any gateway, is going to implement it, and it's going to work perfectly when the user pay money into the betting site. You see that the money will come to your account. So as you can see now, this is the Reflect has generated the website for us. So you can see create a sporty bet like platform with a Nigerian green and white color. So if you don't like the color, you can still go and tell the AI that can you please change the everything, any changes you need. So as you can see, implemented sport navigation with the multi-sport category, added featured matches, display with the bet hot, create user registration login system, add bet slip functionality for placing bets, include account management and bet history pages. So now let's visit the website here. This is where we go. So it's going to open in a new tab. We're going to see our website live here. So as you can see, I have not asked to implement the payment gateway, because I'm doing it for a demo purpose. So okay, so as you can see, this is how this website is built with Reflect AI. Can you see this fantastic website? If there's any modification which you need, you can still go ahead and tell the Reflect AI that no, okay. that no, I don't want. You see, I am trying to put to to bet. Let's see. You can see actually, as you can see, so you can see here. Okay, so this is a Barcelona Madrid. Okay, so you see 100 naira. So maybe I'll be putting. Okay, let me say 10,000. No, okay, let me say 10,000 naira. Wait, okay, this is 10. No, no, no. What am I doing here? Okay, this is 10,000. 1,000. This is 10,000. So 10,000, I will be winning 29,300. Okay, so as you can see, the sporting bet, the sportbetting.ng is working good. So you can see, place your bet because it's not associated with any API key, so it will not be, okay. So it's asking me to log in. So you can see, so this is so fantastic. You can create a website that you have never thought of because with this you don't need, you don't need, you don't need, professional developers. With this AI, you're good to go only to implement all the needed API key. And with this platform, your website, your app is going to be hosted on their server, and any modification you need as a developer, you need to go back to your dashboard of the Replit, and you need to do every changes you need. You can do that. So as you can see, this is the complete website. I hope you like this video. Please kindly share to your loved ones. Like, comment if you have any question. Please don't hesitate to drop it down. I'll